Hey friends, welcome back to Online Info. So today's our topic is Monday.com. So let's start our today's topic. Monday.com, formerly known as Replus, it is an online collaboration app. Teams use it to organize, alt, and keep track of their work. It is a project management app. Security speaking, no, but I can see why someone might call it that. More to come on this. Really, it's more like a collection of highly customized spreadsheets in which everyone on a team logs the tasks they need to complete and updates them with status reports and other relevant information. In this way, every team member can see all active tasks and their progress, making it easy to pass work from one person to the next or jump it in quickly if someone is suddenly unavailable. Money.com has a modern and attractive interface, and it's fairly easy to use considering similar apps offer a free trial of service and more straightforward subscription options. So Monday.com could be more competitive. If you are familiar with work management apps, Monday.com may remind you if of Airtable or Asana. Airtable and Monday.com even look similar in a lot of ways. Asana is our editor's choice in this category. However, for its flexibility, long list of spotted integration value, and generous free, they are a tier of service for newcomers and small business. Money.com pricing and plans. You can try Money.com for free for 14 days. No credit card required. After that, you have to pay for an account. You will need to look at the complex pricing rubric to figure out exactly how much, as para prices are based on the number of people on the team, type of service, and length of commitment. Money.com does not charge per person. Instead, it has prices for groups up to a certain number. For example, a team of up to 5 people starts at 49 per dollar per month. A team of up to 20 people starts at $199 per month. If you have 16 people on your team, you must pay for a plan of up to 20 people. If you have 60 people on your team, you must pay for plan of up to 100 people. The closer your team size is to the cap, the more reasonable the rates will be. Now, beyond calculating team size, there are four tiers of service to choose from: basic, standards, pro, and enterprise. Now I will discuss about basics. Basic starts at $39 per month for 5 people and includes 5 GB of storage and an unlimited number of board and 24 to 7 support. The basic plan has serious limitations. You did not get timelines, calendar views, map views, advanced searches, time tracking, or other features that Money.com considers advanced. You don't even get integrations. I have a hard time finding a compelling reason anyone would pay for their tier of service. Now I will discuss about standards. Standard starts at $49 per month for 5 people. It increases the storage space to 50 GB. You can invite outside guests to join your board, but confusingly they count against your number. All augment a to 4 to 1 ratio. In other words, 4 invited guests count as one member. With standard, you do get the timeline, calendar, and map views that are missing from the basic plan. Now, this tier includes advanced search but not nighttime tracking. The standard plan does allow for integration, but you are permitted only 250 actions between two integrated apps per month. Standard also adds the ability to set up automation which are which are missing from the basic plan. Their tier includes advanced search but not time tracking. The standard plan does allow for integrations, but you are permitted only 20 to 50 actions between two integrated apps per month. Standard also adds the ability to get up automations, which are also limited to 250 actions per month. This is the most popular tier, which should be robust enough to handle the needs of smaller teams and growing business. Pro starts at $79 per month for 5 people. Storage is unlimited and you get all features expect a few that are reserved for enterprise customers, such as single sign one HIPAA complaints and audit logs. The allowance for integrations and automations goes up to 25,000 actions per month. Now, enterprise accounts use custom pricing and includes all features for any of Monday.com plans, and for any number of people you can choose to pay monthly annually or for 2 years at a time with greater discounts for longer commitments. How do Monday.com prices compare? Monday.com plans our pricing scheme are overly complicated. First of all, there should be a free or trial of service for this product. Second, you have to sink a lot of time into investigating the app and tracking how many integrations actions you use each month to figure out the best plan for you. Third, the fee scale is so convoluted that it also makes it difficult to compare it with other similar apps, but it's try. Comparable apps cost around 12,000 to 13.50 dollars per person per month for their first type paid plans. Monday.com prices seem like they are close to this range if your team size is exactly the same as up to number you pay for. Otherwise, the per person price is inflated. For example, if you have 16 people on your team, but you are paying up to 20, the per person rate goes up. If you have exactly 20 people and are paying for 20, the per person rate in line with the average for the market. Digging in with more direct comparisons, Atable is an app place to start. It offers a free account that has some feature limitations, but still gives you a generous 2 GB of storage space for your data. Paid plans start at $12 per person per month for a plus plan and go up to $24 per person per month for pro. Unlike Monday.com, Airtable only charges you for the people on your team. If you add or subtract team members in the middle of a billing cycle, the company portals the additional fee or gives you a refund in the form of account credit. Trello is another reasonable app to compare to Money.com. Like Atable, it is also offers a free trial of service. The business class paid plan starts at $12.50 per person per month. Trello also offers an enterprise plan, and there's an interactive tool on its website you can use to generate a price estimate for it based on the number of people in the company. Asana's price are a little higher than the other apps mentioned so far, starting at $13.49 per person per month for a premium account. But like the other, Asana does offer a free tier of service, so you can use the product indefinitely if it meets your team's need, or if you want to get real experience with it before upgrading. What is Monday.com? Money.com looks like it evolved from a collaborative spreadsheet. Imagine Google Sheet in the hands of an extraordinarily capable designer. You access Monday.com as a web app or on a mobile device. The initial setup is a simple grid. You choose what goes into it. What would be sheet are called boards here, and you can have more than one of them in view at any given time. Money.com also shares similarities with Kanban apps, and indeed there is a cabin board view you can use, but it's let's not